Hi, assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to be cooking a Malaysian dessert called onde-onde. So we've got water, glutinous rice flour, palm sugar, which you can get at any Asian shop, green pandan paste, and desiccated coconut. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add a few drops of green pandan paste into half a cup of water. And mix that in. You can see it's turning really green now, and it smells really good. So pandan paste is made using pandan leaves, which you'll find in Malaysia. But you can get pandan paste in many East Asian shops and stores. So the next step, you'll need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. Just pop that into the bowl. And the water that we mixed earlier. You're going to want to do this slowly and get your hands dirty. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Time to get your hands dirty. And you just move your hands around, make sure you incorporate the dough with the water until it's a nice consistency and it forms into a dough and mixes well. So we've got a nice firm consistency here. And it's formed into a dough, and we can start shaping them into tiny balls. So a good trick is to split it in half, roll it into a cylinder, and then just kind of pinch it off into balls, like so. You don't have to be neat. Oops. There we go. And I've got a pot of water boiling next to me. Once the water's boiled, we'll boil these little green balls until they float to the top. So you're going to want to get your desiccated coconut ready. So you grab a bowl, and this is a 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. And with the water that you've just boiled, just grab a teaspoon, pop it in. Another teaspoon if required, and just mix it. That smells really good. Okay, that should be okay. Pop that on the side. And now I'm going to put my little green pandan balls into the boiling water. Be careful, it's hot. And you'll know that it's ready when the balls float to the top. And you just put them in the desiccated coconut, shake the bowl, do a little dance, and there you have it. Onde-onde. Now I'm going to plate them. And if you have any extra desiccated coconut, just sprinkle it on top. So there we have it, our finished product, our onde-onde. It's really chewy when you bite into it, but there'll be a slight crunch and a sweet center. And yeah, it's perfect to give to your friends and your family, or just eat for yourself. Me? Myself. No, my friends. Okay, enjoy.
Come iftar with me. World Flavours brought to you by Halal Booking. Halal friendly holidays worldwide.